What's this scene, Island fam? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Yes, I know y'all could hear pancake in the background, but that's okay. Y'all know I have babies. So, today is going to be a really quick DIY. Sakura and I are going to make a few scented candles. So, what you'll need for this DIY is a couple store-bought candles, or you could buy soy wax if you want, but I'm just using some store-bought candles. I have a couple knives to cut up the candles, piece of crayon to color it, or you could use pigment. This is like wick, but this is from an old candle. So this is wick, or you could buy wick in the store. Some flavoring oils, or you could use essential oils as well to flavor your stuff, but I don't like essential oil smell, so yeah. And just a couple jars to put your candles in. Also, you're going to need something like a heat resistant jar or cup or something that you can melt the wax in, or if you have a double boiler. I'm using a Pyrex measuring glass. So this is just some wax that Sakura and I have already cut up that I'm going to put in the microwave and melt down so we can make our candles. So let's get started. So now that the wax is all melted down, I don't even know how to say that. I'm gonna add flavoring. So guys, these are our candles. I made, well, 3 and a little bit. So the purple ones are actually butter flavored, and then the green one I actually made citronella flavor because I love citronella oil, and citronella oil is said to keep away mosquito, you know. So yeah, so these are our candles, y'all. Yay.